Happy Monday, small players. It is 8:40 on a Monday morning, December 13th, and we're looking at our pre-market scanner. The first stock on the scanner is ticker BLU. BLU. Let's remove the past drawings we have on this chart. We've traded this stock in the past. I want to say like last month. It was a pretty big mover. So we have great memories of it. This level of 7.5 is the first big level. We see a lot of congestion there. Squeeze above it, drop below it, squeeze above it, finding support, drop below it. Short sellers taking over. So it seems to be a level that it's reacting to a lot. And then VWAP seems to be there as well. So at the moment, we know VWAP changes the position. So that's one key level. The next key level is 8. Very sharp rejection here. Short sellers defending it, squeeze above that. So trades here would be break above 8 and bounce on 750. That's that for BLU. The next stock is AVCT. AVCT is also a stock that we've been seeing on the scanner quite a lot over the past few months. We have some old drawings here. It seems to be reacting to more or less the same levels, but let's start fresh. This level is key. 2.6, big rejections there. Granted, this is VWAP here, so it could have just been a VWAP rejection. But then we see another rejection there. Find support there a couple times, so it's definitely a key level. Then this level of 2.7. Then we can put this level of 283. And this level, resistance here, support here. For this one, we're going to wait for a break above VWAP to take a trade. Let me just remove this. Okay, the next one is PTPI. Again, very familiar with the stock. As you guys can see, a lot of lines on our chart. It's currently below all indicators, so not much to see at the moment. So let's wait for, same thing, break above VWAP on this one. The next one is IMPX. IMPX. This one looks like it had a little bit of a news run this morning and sort of died, but found support on EMA 20. We like those reversal trade ideas. At this point, we see it broke above VWAP, but didn't really held the momentum. So it's a little hard to figure out. Definitely break above this level. 440, 1045 is big, because when it dropped below that, short sellers destroyed it, right? So we know that above that level, they're going to start getting out. So it can cause a squeeze, right? Before that, it's a little trickier to see where to trade it, because it already tried to break above VWAP and didn't really do much. So maybe another bounce on EMA 20 would be a trade for us before that, but because this here is the high of this is 1032, but that's just VWAP rejection. We don't know that it's going to react to 1032, so it's a little riskier. The safest trade here for me is break above 1045. This is a warrant. Okay, the next one is BFRI. Same thing. Actually, a lot of familiar names on scanner this morning. This one's making a bounce on EMA 20. Well, made a bounce on EMA 25 minutes ago, which was a good trade. We have some lines on the chart from the past, which also seem to correspond to levels that are important today, so we'll just leave them. Two big rejections here on 635, so that's a key level. It's currently also trying to consolidate on VWAP. So we can do VWAP bounce, EMA 20 bounce, or break above 635 on this one. This is FHTX. This one has a lot of rejections here in 17. So break above 17 is a trade. However, we see it broke it a couple times and rejected. You know, still from 17 to 1737, that's enough of a trade. So when it breaks above 17, you know, a trader might need to have to scalp it, and then break above 18 maybe is going to make a bigger squeeze. But anyway, so just this breakout is going to require a little more skill. That's FHDX. The next one is HOG, H-O-G. We haven't traded this one in a while. We used to, yeah, it used to pop in the scanner in the past. I don't want to overcrowd the chart, but these candles closed on that level, and this one seems to be reacting to it. So that's 41.5 seems to be a key level. It's currently consolidating on VWAP, and it's also making a 5-minute flag. So on this one, I'll probably just wait for a 5-minute flag break. The next one is VERU, also a familiar name. This one looks like a news move that's sort of dying. Found support on 7, but this is now a second test, so we can't, trade it anymore. We missed the first 2 bounces on support. Third bounce on support is a short setup, so we can potentially trade a break above 725. CNC, this level's key. Big rejection here on 115. Drop below that. Short sellers destroyed it. Rejection again. So break above 115 we can trade. ABUS, another stock that we know and love. I want to say break above 455 could be big. Bounce on 445 and then bounce on VWAP and EMA 20. MTP, we know the stock. We love the stock. Chart sucks at the moment. Blue, well, the volume's too low. Okay, you guys, so that's it for this morning. I will see you in the chat room. Happy trading.